Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I'm sure you all are fine. You all are staying safe and enjoying your summer vacation. So this is your science homework from week 3 to week not 6, it will be week 7. Okay. Now let's see what is there in the homework. Week 3, 19th of July to 25th July. On week 3, you have two exercise to do. First one is matching. Okay. See, matching here are weather of different kind of situations. Okay. Like first one is sunny. So you have to find out from this picture which one shows sunny. Okay. Then rainy, you have to find out which one is rainy here. Okay. Then cloudy, snowy, windy, stormy, hot. Okay. So how you will find all these things? Sunny means the sun is bright, right? So you have to find out where the sun is bright in this picture. Rainy means where it's raining. Rain is coming out, right? Where rain is coming out from the cloud. Maybe this one. Cloudy means the sky is full of cloud. So it looks like the sky is full of clouds. Snowy means snow is falling out from sky. Windy means lots of wind, right? See here in this picture, lots of wind is pushing the ship. Stormy means storm, where there's lightning, where the sky is black, that is called storm. And hot means the sun is really high in temperature. It's putting I think this picture can be resembled with a hot. And cold means what is cold here, which thing shows us that it's really cold. So you have to select the word from here and then you have to select a picture that matches with this word. Okay. Second is what is it? The stars, the moon. See, here is a word bank. What is here? What is it? The stars, the moon and sky, the sun, the earth. Earth is not coming here, the earth. So what you have to do, you have to see the picture and you have to what is it. You have to color the picture like this one. Then you have to write what is it. Here the word bank, you pick from here that what is it, and then when do you see it? Do you see it in daytime or do you see it in night time? Like stars you see in daytime, right? But stars you see in night time, but sun, when do you see it? Circle that one. Okay. So this one is the sun, the moon, oh no, everything is there's no earth, the stars, the moon, the sun, the sky. This will be the moon. Okay, so this one you can do. This is week 3 activities, 2 exercises. One is matching and one is coloring the picture, naming the picture, and when do you see it, daytime or night time. Then week 4, see what is it. It is also matching. There are two in the middle, there are 3 weathers. One is hot, another one is rainy, one is summer, one is rainy, and one is winter. Okay, so in both of the side there are many things: raincoat, jacket, summer pants, rainy umbrella and rainy boot, summer t-shirt. Okay, what you have to do, you have to match things with the weather. Like flip-flops, when we wear flip-flops when it is hot, so in the summer, so you will match it with this one. Then raincoat, when we wear raincoat when it is rainy season, so we match it with this one. And woolen cap, when we wear woolen cap in the winter to give us warmth in the winter, so we will match it with this one, winter. So like this, everything you will match with 3 weather. Okay. And see here, This is your only activity, one activity in week 4, because this is the Eid ul Adha week. So after that, week 5, there is also 2 activity. See, what can be seen in the sky during daytime. So there is sun, moon, stars. So circle that one which can be seen during the daytime. Which object in sky move? So circle which object in the sky moves. Then draw shapes the moon can appear to be. So draw 2 different shapes where moon can appear to be. We can see moon in round shape. Also we can see in half shape, like half circle shape, right? So you'll draw those 2 shapes. After that, just give me one. And here are some pictures which you have to match with the shadow. See, this is the peacock. You have to match this picture with the shadow of peacock. So this is the shadow of peacock. So you have to match these 2. Okay, like this. So you will do this. It is very easy. Growing up. Growing up, this picture you have to draw. Here you can see the growing up. First, we become people are small baby. Then they grow and they become toddler. After that, they become kid. After kid, they become teenager. And after teenager, they become a big man. So first is baby, then a toddler, then a kid, then a teenager, and then a big adult man. So you have to color this picture only. Nothing you have to do. It's showing how we grow up. So only coloring. Okay. And growing change. And here you see there are some picture. A picture of a baby, toddler, then a teenager, then a adult person, and then one old man. And here are some pictures, a robot toy, some blocks, a feeding bottle, a stick, walking stick, and a laptop. So you have to match which things match with which one. Like babies need drinking feeding bottle. Then toddler needs the toddler can play with blocks. Then a teenager boy can play with robot, and a adult man or woman need a laptop to work with, and a old person need a walking stick to walk. So you will match this way. And here are some picture of the healthy habits. Here are some healthy habits and the picture of it. You have to match. Okay, eat vegetables. So you have to match where is eating vegetables. Brush my teeth, eat fruits, do exercise, take a shower, drink water, sleep well, wash my hand. All these are healthy habits, and these are the picture of these activities. You have to match the picture and the sentence. Okay, and here is, see, last here you have to write some good habits in these circles. Okay, like brushing your teeth every morning, do exercise, eat vegetables, eat fruit, eat milk. Okay, so playing every day. So these are the good habits you will write here. Study regularly. Okay, so you will write. So I have divided everything in the weekly basis. You will do all your exercise weekly, at least 1 or 2 activities each week, and then after you complete, you will upload everything in, see, there are 2. I gave this summer vacation homework week 3 to week 7. So all science summer vacation homework you will upload here, or another one we have that science summer vacation homework all. There is the summer vacation homework, this one science all. So here also you can upload. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.